Hello students, welcome back. So today we are going to study 7 Linux commands. First is the date command, second is the cal command, third is the clear command, fourth is the banner command, fifth is the tty command, sixth is the script command, and lastly we are going to discuss the man command. So let us begin with. So here I have already opened the terminal, and the first command that we are going to see is the date command. So as is seen on the screen, the date is displayed. Then to get help on the date command, we are going to press man space and the command name. So man actually is the manual, means help for the Linux commands. So you can put there any command in front of man to get the help on the particular command. Now I will be showing you how to use the descriptors with the date command. So here the first descriptor that I am using is a %y. So this will display the year, current year, last 2 digit. If I use the descriptor %Y, then it will display the current year, all 4 digits. If I use date %b, small b, so it will give me the current month abbreviation. Then suppose if I type there %m, then it will give me the current month. So in this way we can utilize different descriptors to get the result. Next descriptor is %t, %m, %y, so it will display the current date. But remember one thing, before using descriptor, always use the plus symbol after the quotation mark. Now last descriptor that I am going to show is the %j. So this will display the day of the year, right? Now let us once again go to the date commands manual. Here I will show you where exactly the format specifier or descriptors are there. So here percentage descriptors are mentioned here. So different descriptors are mentioned here, like I have already shown you, %j, and likewise to get out of this manual, press the Q button. Now the next command that we are going to see is the tty command. So but first let us see the clear command. So this will clear all the commands from the desktop. Then the next command tty, here the current terminal that will be displayed. So here tty displays the terminal number 1. After that we are going to see the banner command. So this will display the text in front of it in a hash symbol, banner like manner. So I have shown you the 2 banners. Then the next command that we are going to see is the cal command. So this will currently display the current month calendar. If I use the option cal-3, it will show me the 3 months calendar. After this, next I am going to see the script command. So script space file name. So here if I one by one go on writing all the different commands, all these commands will be stored in my script file. So here first I have used cal command, then I am using the man command. After that I am using the tty command. Again I am going to use cal -3 command. And then next I am going to use the banner command. So after this, if I want to end the script command, I will type there exit command. Now to view the contents of the script command, I am going to use cat command, cat myfile.txt. So already it has been shown. Now it was since a large content, I will once again show it to you. Just move your display upwards and all the commands that you have typed with their output will be stored in this myfile.txt command. To clear this, once again I will type here clear command. So in this way, we have learned the 7 commands. Thank you for watching and come back again for the new tutorials.